Hi! In front of me is the LENOVO TAB M9 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation. First of all, just open Tab menu and look for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices settings, scroll down and tap on Display section. Then scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!